Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with Facebook. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. With over 2 billion active users, Facebook offers a huge potential market for businesses of all types. In this video, we'll be giving you an overview of some of the most popular methods to make money with Facebook. First, we'll take a look at why Facebook is such a great platform for making money online. With a huge user base and easy setup for a Facebook page for your business or product, it offers a large potential audience and various ways to make money, such as selling products or services, using Facebook ads, or promoting affiliate offers. To get started, you need to have a Facebook account and create a Facebook page for your business or product. This is where you will promote your products or services and interact with your fans and customers. To set up your Facebook page, you will need to add a cover photo and profile picture that represents your business or product. You can find free stock photos online or hire a professional photographer to take some photos for you. Next, fill out the About section of your page with information about your business or product, such as what you do, what you sell, and why people should buy from you. Start adding some content to your page, such as blog posts, photos, videos, or anything else that would be interesting and engaging for your fans and customers. The more content you have on your page, the more likely people are to like and follow it. To promote your page, you can share it with your friends and family members, use online advertising such as Facebook ads, and promote it offline by including information about your Facebook page on any marketing materials or posters in strategic locations. Once you have a following and engagement on your Facebook page, you can start making money by selling products or services, running ads, or promoting affiliate offers. There you have it, a guide on how to make money with Facebook. With over 2 billion active users, it offers a huge potential market for businesses of all types. By setting up a Facebook page, promoting it, and engaging with your audience, you can start making money online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.